This bold group brokered by eXp Realty, LLC property video is presented by Sam Rubio. Front double doors made of cast iron west/inserts that open, archway entrance leads to open floor plan, DE foyer and dining area with hardwood floors. Kitchen, hearth room and hallway has brick floors, kitchen has stainless steel pulls, warming drawer, pot filler, gas stove top, built-in microwave and electric oven, very large island with breakfast bar. Hearth room has built-in electric log with electric switch fireplace, windows across the back with view on your own private pond that feeds from the river, extra large patio. For more information, review the details below or contact Sam Rubio at 318-754-8880.